Hello, New TV Land. It's your boy, Freelancer Joe, ready to once again get cracking. And how are you all doing on this fine and wonderful and glorious Thursday afternoon? Thursday, but clearly that thing right there says Wednesday. Freelancer Joe, did you travel in time again? No. I never travel back in time. If anything, I am ahead of my time. Thank you very much. For those of you who have been watching my videos, you know that I've kind of shifted things up. So this Thursday episode is being recorded on Wednesday. So I will explain what's going on. But first, let me go ahead and log in to my Ubuntu. Escape. Let's try that again. My Ubuntu VirtualBox guest. Let me see if I remember the password. So even though it is Wednesday, I'm hoping that even though it's Wednesday for me, I'm hoping your Thursday is going great and wonderful and fantastic. And I also hope that my Thursday has gone wonderful and great and fantastic. So right off the bat, I will of course point out that you do not see my wonderfully beautiful yet masculine face on screen, and that's because I still have not mounted the camera. So the way it works with the VirtualBox is you basically have to go into your host, which in this case is Windows. You do a search for the attached devices, USB devices, in this case my camera, and then you basically attach it via command line. I think it's VBox something or other. You attach it to your specific guest that you want to use it. After you've done that, and then you start up your guest, you have to go to the window containing the guest, and under devices, you go under USB and you enable the device that you attached. And of course, that only works with guest editions already installed. And guest editions are already installed because it's already picking up my keyboard and my mouse, so that's fine. Now I had done that before on my CentOS guest, but I was kind of hoping it was like global to VirtualBox, but no, you have to do it for each individual guest. So, now I could have done it. You know what? Let's. So, as I was going to say that. Yesterday I recorded 2 Freelancer episodes as well as my Game with Joe episode because I thought I was going to have to stay late at work Thursday for a meeting. However, when I got into work this morning, it turned out that meeting for Thursday was pushed to next Tuesday afternoon within a normal time. So in theory, I could have recorded my Thursday episode on, Thursday. But I'm not cool with that because I have the momentum for recording, so I'm going to keep that momentum going. My discipline for recording is one every day, so if I take that break, it's really tough to kind of pick it back up. So I want to make sure that I get all the weekly episodes out of the way. It's not like my training routine where I know I have a training, break, training, break. Now the one advantage if I waited until Thursday is that today I could mess around with that camera and get it working so that you could have seen my face. But, absence makes the heart grow fonder, as they say. So I'll record the Thursday episode today, which I'm doing right now, and then Thursday, provided I'm motivated enough, I'll attach the camera. And if I don't, well, I still have Friday to attach the camera. And actually, I still have Saturday to attach the camera because I already recorded the Friday episode, which is Game with Joe, and Saturday's Drinks with Joe, in which I don't use my laptop, I use my DSLR. So what were we doing? Well, we were setting up my Ubuntu guest. My Ubuntu VirtualBox guest. As you can see, I have Visual Studio and Firefox and Chrome. Now, while I did not attach the camera, nor did I dismount this guest edition CD, I did quadruple the memory. So let's see if it goes faster. Ooh, okay. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Let's see how quickly this spools up. As you remember yesterday's episode and the day before it, it was, oh yeah, oh yeah. There we go, that's better. Let's see how quickly that comes up, because I know Firefox was kind of logy. Let's see, Firefox. Oh, Firefox coming up nice and fast. And what about Chrome? Now, Chrome was actually pretty fast yesterday too, so I would expect it to be even better today. Yeah, that's fast. Well, let's close everything, because they're all running concurrently now. And just for my own personal edification, let's see Chrome by itself. Oh yeah, Blaze. Blazing fast. I like this. This is nice. This is nice. Alright, so if we're continuing to set up my environment, what do we need to do? Well, we have the editor. We'll need a place to put my code. So I had 2 folders in my home directory. Wow, that is fast. I like that. One was called projects.api. That is for my lambdas and going to be for any server related stuff. And then one was projects UI. Yep, which is obviously for my UI stuff. Oh yeah, that is fast. Okay. So at this point, normally I would go to my bookmarks and GitHub to download the code. However, I do not have my bookmarks because they're all in my CentOS, and that's finicky, so I'm not going to have that. In hindsight, what I probably should have done is uploaded my bookmarks either to S3 or to GitHub. In hindsight. Maybe. Or, no, I take that back, actually. So both CentOS, well, Chrome specifically, is asking to link my Google account. So if I link my Google accounts and I had the bookmarks on the CentOS, then so in CentOS, if I had linked my Google account, and the Chrome bookmarks would be shared across my Google account. So then if I linked my Google account into my Ubuntu installation, the bookmarks would automatically appear. But as far as I'm concerned, that's giving too much information to Google as it is. And they already know, well, they know enough to destroy me as it is. So it's just that one little bit of information that I shall withhold from them. Although technically I'm uploading these videos onto YouTube, which Google also owns, so yeah. Well, you know what? It makes me feel empowered, so I'm going to stick with that. Alright, so I would need to get my code, but my code needs to run on Node.js, so I need to install Node.js first. So we go to Node.js. Download from Linux x64. Do we want current or LTS? Let's go with the one recommended for most users. Now, how do I install it? Guides. Getting started. Okay, that's after I install it. I want to install it. API reference, ES6 features. Are they on 6? Was I using 6 or was I using 5? Yeah. Is the download done? A tar. And you know what? Let's see if Node.js is in the Ubuntu Software Store. I believe it's under What else we got here? Developer tools. Oh, okay. There we go. That's nice. Python, blah, blah, blah. Give me the search. Why doesn't it have a search thing available? Why isn't it alphabetical? This is not a good interface. I already got that installed. I mean, it looks cool and all, but all right. Search node. I mean, I already downloaded the thingamabobber, but nope. Close, but not quite. Here we go. Oh, this is it. This is it. Uh, 12. Yeah. You know what? You know what? Never mind. Okay, we're gonna go. You close you. Close you. Let's see what you do. Archive Manager opens up. Extract. Extracting. It's like double zipped with the XZ and the tar. A little overkill in my opinion. Alright, show the files. Then include, is it the README? I click on that, right? No. Fine. See, I don't like that. It doesn't look like it's clean install. I mean, it's an install of sorts, but it looks like. Okay, Node, JS, Ubuntu install. Thank you. Okay. Installation instructions, thank you. What version was this? Was this 11? This was 10, okay. Curl this, sudo e bash, sudo apt install. Okay. So that's pretty straightforward. Let's open the terminal for this. Paste that. Captain Custom Paste rise again. Oh, really? Okay, so first we have to install curl. Which allows my shell to make HTML requests like get and post and blah blah blah. So that's there. Now let's go ahead and curl for this. Alright, and after the curl's done, then I need to do the apt-get install. And that's different from the CentOS, Fedora, Red Hat approach, which would be yum install. Oh, look. That's nice. Ooh, I might also need... Ooh, I wonder if I need yarn. You know what? I better... Is there a text editor? I should have a I should copy these. Do I have a text editor? Do I have gedit? There we go, text editor. Let's pin this to favorites. And let's go ahead and copy. It's going to take me a little while getting used to the commands being on the left, not the commands, but the windows being on the left. Alright. But fortunately, I'm a lefty. So, should I install this first? Should I install the Yarn Package Manager? Well, let's install the compiler first. I have a feeling that's probably going to be more important. Oh, it's already installed. Nice. Alright, and let's go ahead and let's see if Yarn is installed too. Nope. So let's go ahead and do this. Reading package lists. Alright, nice. Oh, I do like all the colors. The colors, man. The colors. That's a shame the camera is not there because I'm feeling mighty jacked today. I did just finish my training. Not just, but, you know, within the past hour or so. Although I have to freely admit that, what is this, week 7? It's starting to drag now. Energy levels are dipping. I mean, really dipping. And yeah, the back is starting to, I think the back is the nagging injury for this training session. I mean, the back's always been kind of wonky. I just kind of, I attribute it to carrying a little extra weight around the midsection. But now things are really tightened up, so I'm not sure what the deal is, other than perhaps just going a little bit too heavy. And now let's install Node. Oh, Node is already there. How can I test Node? Exit. Node.js. Docs. Oh, maybe I wanted the guide. Wow, this is fast. Getting started. Create a file named app.js and paste the following code. Okay. Alright. This looks simple enough. Let's see. Control C for that. Control C. ls mkdir temp cd temp vi app.js. Insert. Let's paste this bad boy in there. And how do I start it? Node app.js. Alright. Node app.js. Nice. Alright. So I think we're good. Node is installed. Nice, nice. So let's get rid of the temp directory. rm-fr temp. No, rm-fr temp. C projects UI. Alright, now that I have Node installed, I can go ahead and, ooh, you know what, I probably need to go back to home. I can go ahead and pull some code. Unfortunately, Git is, I think it's GitHub, is one of my bookmarks. GitHub? Yeah, GitHub. And to ease my download of things, I have SSH keys. Set up, but much like my bookmarks, the SSH key is on on my CentOS guest host. So we're going to have to go through the process of setting up another key, SSH and GPG keys. VirtualBox key. I'm not sure why I have. Obviously, VirtualBox Freelancer is my CentOS one. Last used within 3 weeks. That's interesting. Has it been 3 weeks since I actually uploaded anything? That's not good. Check out our guide for generating SSH keys. Alright. Check for existing keys. Alright, let's check for existing keys. Pretty certain I don't have any keys. LSHAL SSH .SSH, and I got nothing. Alright, that's fine. Generating a new key and adding it to the SSH agent. Alright. SSH dash keygen dash TRSA 1096 dash C generate appropriate. Looks at the default. We will add a passphrase. And now we need to start the SSH agent. Yeah, I wonder if that's what broke. $sign SSH-agent. I wonder if that's what broke on my my CentOS environment, which is why I couldn't upload those changes I made. 9072 SSH dash. I always hit the space. And it's asking me for my key. We did. Alright. Add the SSH key to your GitHub account. Copy the SSH key to your clipboard. Sudo apt-get install. Yep. Alright. Now hopefully this won't display the contents of my key to you. I wonder how that's going to work. Well, this is clipping the public key, not the private key, so that's fine. And then we got xclip-sel clip. I forgot what that command is, that token does. It's not a pipe. It's something else entirely different. Alright. In the upper right, okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add this into Meow. Upper right, wait, what did it say? Upper right, settings, SSH, add SSH key. Alright. Already in here, settings, new SSH key. And according to this, title field, we're going to add the title, and we're going to paste the key, and then add. Alright, title. So the other one was called VirtualBox Freelancer. So we're going to call this VirtualBox Ubuntu, because I like saying Ubuntu. And there's my key. Add SSH key. I wonder if I can I rename this? I don't think I can. I probably just got an email saying that I've added a key. And how do I test it? Back. Testing my SSH connection. Open the terminal. Yes. SSH-t git at github.com. Authenticity. Yes. Oh, verify. Oh, I didn't verify that, but okay, that's fine. All right. So let me see. CD projects -ui ls. So to test it, let us go ahead and look at my projects. Where are my projects? My repos. So let's grab the demo. Let's see if I can pull that. Thank you. Got it. And we're going to clone or download. Clone. Use SSH. Copy that. Git clone. Paste. Oh, I haven't installed Git. Can you believe that? What an oversight. All right, does the store have Git? Nope. You know, I just want Git. That looks promising because I am on Ubuntu. All right, let's take a look at that Git Ubuntu. All right, Ubuntu git install. The internet. What would I do without the internet? I wouldn't be here. I know I updated yesterday, so that's fine. Alright, so let's see. Sudo -git install git -core. Yes. See how that works. Okay, git dash version. Alright, that was 2. Needed 2. .19.1. We'll go ahead and do the git config. -- global user.name is Freelancer Joe. Git config global user.email. Actually, you know what? We're going to change that to my real name. ultima.burner@gmail.com. Alright, so Git looks like it's configured. Okay, git config -list, Joe Jacob, Ultima Burner. Alright, we have Git installed, but we are at about the 30-minute mark. So the next time we go into a Freelancer episode, it'll be me downloading from Git and building things and seeing if that works. So I'll wrap this up for now. Cool kid words about liking and subscribing, commenting, and suggesting. And I hope you join me. Well, this goes up Thursday, so I hope you join me on Friday for my Gaming with Joe episode. Very cool because the festival of the Dawning in Destiny 2 kicked off this week, so it's nice and festive and all Christmassy. And I'm enjoying it because that's like the only Christmas stuff I've been seeing so far. So yeah. But if you don't join me tomorrow, I hope that until the next time you join me, that you take care and God bless.